Alright, to change the time and date, I'm going to press program button and input the password, which is *1234#. Then I'm going to go into the program mode and scroll down to 00, which has the time and date. So I'm going to press it, then I'll use my arrow key to set the date. So the day today is going to be 24. I'm making this video on the 24th of November. So I'm going to type in 24 and move the arrow keys to use the arrow key to move to the month, which is November. Then I'm going to press 11, which is the 11th month. Then I'll use the arrow key to move to the year also, which is 2024. So I'm going to put in 2024, and when I'm done, I'll press either enter or the store button. So the next thing that will show up is the time. I will set the time according to my own time here. You can set your own time according to whatever time you have over there, depending on your time zone. So my time here is 4:30. I'm going to input 4:30 and then I'll press enter. So notice that each time I press enter, the store, the LED light on the store button will light up. That shows that the program has been entered. Now you have other functions here also in the programming unit. You can also make some changes by going into the programming mode. So you're going to press program and then you input the password, which is *1234, and then you have name change, change rate, and all kinds of functions that you might want to configuration that you might want to do on your PABX machine. So basically the program mode enables you to enter the programming console of your PABX so that you can input whatever programming you want for your PABX. So that is it, folks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you some other time.